So here is Swiftgram Telegram mod client, supercharged Telegram experience. So I just downloaded this app and you need to log in with your Telegram account. So how to log in? You just enter your phone number in Swiftgram, which you used in your Telegram account. And then you receive login code 5 digits to your Telegram, not as an SMS, but to Telegram app. And then you can start using it. So lots of features, focus on privacy, no limits, no ads, completely open source and includes all latest updates from Telegram Plus. Unlimited account, add as many numbers as you want for free. Accounts backup, log in to your accounts without SMS code, restore all sessions, message filter, reduce visibility of spam, formatting panel, bold italic links, voice to text, transcribe audio messages to text for free, translator, real-time translation for entire chat, hide stories to disable swipe for recording, Apple Watch companion chat management, hide notifications, 50 plus customizations, simplicity, privacy focused, accessibility. Again, like unlimited accounts, voice to text conversion. So here is how it looks like. So you see your profile, everything kind of looks like Telegram, exactly same design, everything is kind of, and then you still can upgrade to Telegram Premium through here. But there is also Swiftgram Pro, where you can also get that for $4 per month. Then you can also get like these features like formatting, message filters, unique app icons and buttons, accounts backup. So backup, disable mention and replies. You can do it in that. So that's what you can have. And then there's also Swiftgram settings, where you can hide tab bar, show contacts tab, show tab names, hide all chats, smaller spacing, chat list. You can enable these additional customizations, show data center, show chat creation date, call confirmation, hide stories. You can hide, ask before viewing, repost, disable, swipe to record, quick translate button. You can select quality of photos, send HD photos, save to cloud, count colors, so things like that. So yeah, that's just what you can have in here. And so something like that, this is just what you can have. And that's the idea of Swiftgram, one of the most popular clients for Telegram right now. It's quickly getting traction, as you can see, climbing to the top 200 apps in US App Store, because Telegram recently limiting quite a lot of features only to premium subscriptions. So Telegram is adding a lot of new features, but they're hiding them under premium. And that's why you literally need to upgrade to Telegram Premium recently to have a usable version of Telegram. And there are also some Swiftgram when you still need to upgrade to Telegram Premium, but there are some advanced, most used features which you can just use in Swiftgram. So try it out. You can see some reviews. Update notification. Perfect client. Some people say it's better than Nicegram, which is additional client. So yeah, try it out.